Hello everyone, after turning on the Surf CNC router, we're going to have some warning errors going off, and this is just a normal process. It means we need to home the machine. We can read those: C, Z, Y, X, not yet back home. So the first thing we need to do is come down to our interface, and we're going to hit the home button. Turns on the yellow indicator light to let us know that it's in that mode for homing, and we're going to press the X, the Z, the Y and the 4, and as it does the homing, those will disappear, so we can see it moving. And each of those errors will update as the machine resets itself to its home position. Once the errors are gone, you'll see the indicator light goes off. So that is how to do the homing on the Surf CNC router. Thanks for watching.